Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I am Marissa Fashionista 101 and welcome back. So today I'm doing a really fun, interesting project, and that will be making a skirt out of napkins. Yes, napkins. And these are napkins from the Taco Bell, Chipotle, and probably some other fast food restaurants I went to. I wanted to be up for a challenge and see what I can create with these napkins. It's not going to be easy, but I'm going to be as creative as I can, and hopefully it does not rip. So let's get started. So this is the final skirt, and I just added the trim on top and added a little bit of detail and just made the skirt look finished. Okay, so this is the skirt. I did the best I can and it came out pretty cute for a napkin skirt. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching that, and maybe I'll get more creative with more industrial kind of materials and create something cool. So I will see you soon. Bye.